Exercise 8. That sounds interesting. Listen to the conversation carefully. Fill in the table below as you listen.
Steve, who are the two women over there?
Oh, their names are Shirley and Linda. Hi, Shirley. This is Anne. She's from Canada.
Hello, Shirley. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Anne. Nice to meet you too. What do you study here?
I'm studying biology. And what's your subject?
It's engineering. And my name is Linda.
Hi, Linda. What are you studying here?
I'm studying arts.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
Shirley and Linda are from the UK.
Oh, where are you from in the UK?
I'm from Edinburgh. And I come from Leeds.